Ahorita vamos a ir a volar plomo a
Yo.
morir. Subámonos de esta mierda. Cerote, espérenme. Voy a tirar una granada, puta.
Form up on me.
Puta, ¿quién tiró? Peleémonos, carnal.
Wait for the last guy. Let's fuck shit up.
Nos están tirando, ¿sabes de dónde?
That's fucking awesome.
Yeah.
Fucking right.
Yo, I gotta. If we come across another
Qué
helicopter,
talega.
oh, I could destroy it. Look, it's a targeted system.
Oh shit.
No te vas a
My
volar el
system-
helicóptero.
Man, this game is fucking
Oh.
Ahí
awesome.
va otro, mira.
Oh, there's
I
another
got an
helicopter in front of
helicopter.
us.
I got it. Locking in.
Puta, nos volaron
Bitch.
plomo. ¿Dónde fue?
Oh, I didn't hit
I'm
them.
locking in.
Puta, nos están volando plomo, yes.
Ahí van.
Nos van a hacer desbarrancado esta mierda.
Enemies
Que
ahead.
ya también era. Pongamos retenga aquí arriba del... Allá va un carro ya. En el puente.
What the fuck? This fucking bazooka sucks ass.
Oh, I'm pretty much out of ammo for everything.
Que nos encontraron los otros helicópteros por la siempre. Oh, dale plomo. Ahí anda uno, un helicóptero arriba.
Where the fuck are my rockets? They're not even shooting.
Enemies ahead.
Correlos. Seguilos.
This fucking thing, man.
Alright, land. I need more ammo. Put her down. Oh, I have a pistol.
Ya lo tenemos humillando.
5.
Yo,
Allá cayó, ve. Allá va entre el agua, el pisado.
Enemies ahead.
Mueren, puto. Por ahí había otro, mucha. Tienes another one over
Enemies
there.
ahead.
No cargo balas, vamos a buscar, vamos a lootear. Jason. Oh, no, a la verga. Aquí viene otro, creo yo. Había otro ahí en el agua, creo yo.
Enemies
Yeah.
ahead.
there's another helicopter here, guys.
Yes.
We could have 2 helicopters.
Ya
Split
botamos
up.
uno. A la verga.
It was better than one.
Get 2 helicopters.
Agárralo.
Okay, we should really just look for some ammo, though.
Yeah, I have nothing. Actually, no, I have those. I have this one like sawed-off shotgun looking thing that shoots grenades.
Yeah, that's what I got.
But I have like 50 rounds.
Fall back to safe zone. Fall back to safe zone.
We're trying to find ammo.
¿Cómo le hace
I'm
uno
also
para subir?
raining terror on everybody.
Espérate.
There's another helicopter here.
Enemies ahead.
Ahí va un carro,
Alright,
mira,
I'll
Jason.
Enemies
take that
ahead.
one. Actually, yo, land on the roof. Cool, I'll land on the roof.
Ese carro, ven.
Yo, it's good.
That's fucking jokes.
Fall back to safe zone.
No, because if I land on the roof, then I'll never be able to get back
Hi.
to the helicopter.
Yo, this is
Se
fucking
descontroló
sick.
esta mierda, vos.
This game just got 10 times better.
Enemies ahead.
I don't even care about the
Enemies
enemies
ahead.
anymore. Where'd you go, Ramsey?
I'm with the team. Oh, fuck. I think I just crashed. Oh, apparently you can't crash choppers.
Viene otro
They
carro
just-
ya.
They don't get hurt. That's weird.
There's no
Échate la
damage to them?
cajita.
No, I just ran into a tree, like, flat out. And
I wish
I'm
you could
good.
go. I wish you can go higher in the choppers.
I don't know if I like the way they did the controls.
No, I definitely don't.
Busca las balas verdes.
Enemies ahead.
I'm gonna raid a bit. Is there anything left in these buildings?
No,
Nos
not
cayó
really.
uno aquí.
I just need ammo. Oh yeah, there's ammo.
There's if you have
Nos noquearon a
7.62
los
ammo,
dos.
there's a minigun here.
Lagra. Nos noquearon.
Who's dead?
How
Who
two
died?
guys